Hey Glam Fam, so today we're going to be doing another contacts haul, and this contacts haul is from Camo Eyes. If you've not heard of them, they are a contacts website, and they have everything from spooky, crazy, creepy Halloween eyes to natural, more wearable contact eyes, and they have a huge variety, and they have some really creative contacts, and if you guys would like to check them out, I will leave them down below. I think I have 5 or 6 contacts to show you guys. So if you are new here, hello, I am Josie. I hope you will stay and subscribe and click that red button down there. It's free, and if you click that and then the bell notification next to it, you will never miss another one of my tutorials. Also, I did this look on my channel. I'm not sure if it's up before or after this. We will see. I think it's gonna be like a witchy makeup tutorial. Camo Eyes only sell FDA approved lenses, and I cannot stress to you how important that is when you are looking for contacts, whether it be for, you know, a spicier makeup look or a Halloween costume. You really want to do your homework on where you're getting your contacts from. Camo Eyes also has a Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat if you would like to check those out to see all the cool lenses in use. And if you guys would like to check their website out, I will leave it down in the description below. Alright guys, that is it. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know if you did, and don't forget to like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel down below if you would like to become a part of the Glam Fam. I also have a Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram. They are also at Beautybyjosiek, and I do talk to y'all mostly on those outlets, so I hope you go follow me over there. And don't forget to check out Camo Eyes. The link will be in the description below. Please let me know in the comments down below what your favorite pair of contacts are. But other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye!